3-4 years ago, there was an internal meeting going on in Vedanta. The agenda was to discuss how to get into semiconductor manufacturing. The government was doing something, but nothing seemed to be happening on the ground. The discussion went on for a few hours, and one of the possibilities was to get into some kind of JV with a semiconductor manufacturing company. Fast forward to year 2022, India's first chip factory is to be set up in Gujarat. This brings to life India's dream of building a chip factory. This factory will provide jobs to 1 lakh people. The price of the laptop will go down by 60%, and a laptop which costs 1 lakh might cost INR 40,000. Imagine what these laptops can do in the hands of India's current generation. We might just make our own Microsoft. Possibilities are endless. Before we continue any further, please subscribe to us if you like such videos. This chip plant will be set up by India's oil to metals conglomerate Vedanta and electronics manufacturing giant Foxconn. They will together set up a semiconductor and display fab manufacturing unit in Gujarat. Both companies will invest rupees 1,54,000 crore for establishing the facility in the state. The top players in semiconductor manufacturing are shown in this list. Samsung is the world's largest manufacturer with approximately 44% market share in terms of revenue. One of the most important concepts in any business is the context. Indian government is trying to create an ecosystem wherein the manpower as well as the factory to create the chips is made available. Factory setup is going on in the right direction, whereas there are a lot of institutes which have started offering real estate training and courses. There is a 3-layer plan for creating talent for the semiconductor companies. The first one is scholarly capabilities, which will be useful in process and design element of manufacturing and fabrication. For real estate plant manufacturing capacity, 85,000 engineers will be trained. Then there are plans for plant and shop floor manufacturing and testing types of skilled people. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MIT, is in talks with select government-funded higher education institutions to develop training and education programs for around 2.5 lakh junior engineers for plant and shop floor management, and around 5,000 to 6,000 research scholars who have at least a PhD. So we will have all the programs which will be national skills qualification frameworks compliant and will be globally certified. Unlike in the past, these training programs will be in part designed by the company which will, so to say, consume the trainees, and not some advisor who is unaware of the new changes. Today a laptop costs rupees 1 lakh, and once the glass as well as the semiconductor chip are available, the same can be priced at rupees 40,000 or even less. According to Print, which has cited a report from India Cellular and Electronics Association and Ernst & Young, says India can generate $100 billion manufacturing value by 2025. The report is from 2020. The total global market for laptop and tablets is estimated to be $220 billion annually from 2021 to 2026. Now that India has started the process of putting up a semiconductor facility, US $100 billion might go much higher and might even become 2 to 3 times of that. The internal meeting of Vedanta Group, which we referred to in the beginning, was fruitful, and the semiconductor and electronics revolution seems to be on the cards. There are a few takeaways from the video. Laptops and tablets will become cheaper. These laptops and tablets can become tools for all Indians to learn software and technology, and India might become the software hub for the world. Moreover, electronics has become an important component of a person's life today, and it's a great opportunity for India to manufacture the core component, which is a microchip. Can you imagine the image makeover for India if someone in USA buys made in India laptop and uses it? It should help India in creating a positive perception. I'm sure that India will be able to add tremendous value to the world. This brings us to the end of the video. Lots of effort goes into making a video. If you like our work, please subscribe. Thank you.